Students, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will do the exercise 4.1. A part, find the missing factor using multiplication table. Read the again. Find the missing factor using the multiplication tables. Yes बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए आपको टेबल्स का आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We go with first 5 multiplied dash equals to 30. So where 30 comes in the table of 5? So speak the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25 and 5 sixes are 30. So 30 comes in the table of 5 where at the position 6. Same is here. 3 multiplied by dash equals to 18. Speak the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So 18 comes in the table of 3 where at 6. 3 sixes are 18. Now the third, 8 multiplied dash equals to 32. So the table of 8 is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So बेटा इसके लिए आपको टेबल्स का आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So first of all learn the tables. Is it clear? So now look at 4 fours are 16 and where comes 18 in the table of 2? 9. 9 twos are 18. Dash multiplied by 4 equal to 20. 5 fours are 20. 8. Speak the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. Like this. So 7 twos are 14. 9th is 8 fives are 40. तो अगर आपको इस साइड ब्लैंक है तो हमें ये वाला टेबल रीड करके देखना है और अगर आपका इधर ब्लैंक है तो हमें ये वाला टेबल रीड करना है. इज इट क्लियर? सो 9 थ्रीज आ बेटा 27 और 9 फोर्स आ 36 एंड देन 6 सिक्स आ 36. नाउ द बी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. सो बी मल्टीप्लाई 11 बाय which number ki we will get the answer in 11. So 11 ones are 11 because this is a property. When a number is multiplied by 1 the product is the number itself. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें वही नंबर सेम एज अ आंसर मिल जाता है. सो इट्स 1 sevens are 7. 3 multiplied by 0, here is also property. If we multiply any number by 0, the answer is always be 0. The product is always be 0. What is product beta? Product, the result of multiplication is called the product. So 7 multiplied by 6, 7 6 are 42. So equals to 6 sevens are 40. So both have answer same. 7 6 are 42 and 6 sevens are 42. इज इट क्लियर? तो हम यहाँ पर बेटा 25 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमें ज़ीरो मिल जाए? यस, वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ज़ीरो, क्योंकि किसी नंबर को ज़ीरो से जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो उसका आंसर हमेशा ज़ीरो आता है. 1 15 ज़ा 15, 1 14 ज़ा 14, 21 ज़ा 21, 0 8 ज़ा 0, 4 3s are 12. So 3 4s is also 12. अगर हम यहाँ पे मान लीजिए 2 लिखते हैं तो 2 4s 8 होएगा, लेकिन हमें आंसर में क्या चाहिए? 4 3s are 12. So 3 4s is also 12. So 2 multiply by 4. 2 4s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Both are equal. 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. So answers are equal. This is the symbol of equal. Now 9 2s are 18 and 2 9s are 18. Both are same, equals to this. I think this is clear to you. So you will do lot of practice and complete this exercise in book. Thank you. Have a nice day.